Okay, now let's read the question together. Okay, you all don't read, you all just look at the question. Okay, the cost of the biscuits is directly proportional to its mass. Which are the two quantities here that are in direct proportion?
Biscuit and mass.
What of the biscuit?
The cost and the
Cost of biscuit
and the mass.
and the mass. Okay, it's very important to identify what are the two quantities you have that are in direct proportion. Okay, but see, the two quantities here is first the cost. The second is the mass. Okay, they are in direct proportion. Okay, so this is the first clue. This cost and the mass of the biscuits are in direct proportion. The next step we tell you is that the cost of 5 kg of biscuits is $24. So what does this statement tell us? This tells us the mass. This mass costs how much, right? See, is this connected to here? Right, correct. The mass is this one. The cost is this one. Can you see the statements are kind of related in this way? So the first step is we want to calculate the cost of 8 kg of biscuits. Not easy. But we have, what will you have? You have the 5 kg one, right? Yes. Huh? Find 1 kg. Yeah, this is actually very similar to what we have been doing. You see, direct proportion is actually you all been doing it all along. We'll come to question B, no worries. Okay, so question A, the first step, part A, the first step, we're going to start with 5 kg cost how much, right? So, 5 kg cost $24. Make sense? Now, how are we going to find 8 kg from 5 kg? Is this very similar to last year's work already? All I need to do is find 1 kg. How to find 1 kg? Very good. Divide by 5, right? 5 divided by 5 gives me 1. Okay, use your calculator here. 1 kg would cost $4.80. How I get that? You divide by 5 here. Because they are in direct proportion, you can just divide 5 on both sides. Make sense? Okay, see, direct proportion is so easy. It's actually what you have learned since last year. Okay, next we want to find 8 kg, right? So 8 kg costs how much? What we're going to do now is times 8 here, correct? So we will have $4.80 times 8 as well, right? $38.40. Okay, quite straightforward, right? Is it very difficult to understand the corresponding cost and the mass? No, right? Very difficult? Okay, very difficult, then you must go home and revise. Okay, so after that, your answer here will be, okay, you want to put answer like that, I think I'm fine lah. Okay, answer $38.40. Yeah. Nigel, okay not? Okay, answer is $38.40. Right, $38.40 is how much how much 8 kg of the biscuits cost. Okay, that's quite expensive actually. But we'll see. Okay, can I move on? Now, just now I gave you the original like 5 kg cost $24, right? And I asked you to find 8 kg. Now I'm going to reverse the question. I tell you, I want to find out how much biscuits I can buy with $18, which is the question. Find the mass of the biscuits that can be bought for $18. All I have to do is, what is the true statement here? The true statement is this, right? 5 kg costs $24. I can start working with that as well, actually. So, for part B, instead of writing 5 kg costs $24, I'm going to write money first then. So, $24 can buy 5 kg. Okay, don't say $24 costs 5 kg. English, guys, English. Okay, English very important. You see, the English is very important, right? Your $24 can buy 5 kg of biscuits. What we're going to do is going to manipulate the numbers now. Okay, our goal is to find $18. But before we can find $18, let us find $1. How do we get $1 here? Divided by 24. Okay, the ones in black is the thinking process here. Okay, so $1 can buy how many biscuits in terms of mass? Okay, I will put 5 out of 24. Why? Because 5 divided by 24 is actually a fraction. Make sense? 5 divided by 24 is just a fraction. Okay, the thinking process here is I divide by 24 as well. All can see? At the back, Damien can see? Okay? Quite straightforward, right? Not too difficult. Okay, so can you all find $18 now? Can I find $18 now? Yes. Yue cannot. Yue, can you help me with this? How do I get $18 from here? Times? Very good. So if I times 18 here, do I times 18 on the thing? I should, right? So what is the value, Yue? Yue, what's the value here? 1 times 18 give you 18. But I'm talking now is since I do times 18 on the cost, I also must do times 18 for the mass. What is the original mass I can buy with $1? 5 out of 24, correct? So if I multiply 18 here, I should multiply 18 here, which is this fraction times 18, right? Give me decimal. Okay. 3.75 kg. Yes. No. Because that's the question, The question asks you, how much, find the mass of biscuits that can be bought for $18. That means now I give you $18. I tell you, you must spend the entire $18. I don't want change. Go and buy. That's what the question is asking. But just now the A question is, I want you to buy 8 kg of biscuits. Don't care the cost. But now I tell you, I give you a cost. You find how much biscuits you buy. Make sense? This is two reverse idea, right? Okay, so the answer is just, the mass is 3.75. If you wish to just write answer, which is, actually in the exam, it's always like that, right? Yeah, so let's stick to how exam works, okay? Don't need you all to write statements for now. So answer is 3.75 kg.